I'm Cuber, and today I will unbox a 12x12, the ShengShou from ShengShou, SengSo 12x12 cube. It's the first 12x12 in the world that's mass-produced. Here is the cube. I really like the design of the box. You can carry it with the handle, and it doesn't fall off as easily as the Moyu 15x15 box. Now the cube is very small. If we compare it with the Yushin Huanglong 11x11, you can see that the ShengShou 12x12 is a lot smaller. Even though this is 11x11 and this is a 12x12, this is still about 2 layers smaller than the 11x11 cube. Now let's unbox this cube. I am so excited. Now the cube does have a little bit of lube in it, but it doesn't matter. Now let's do first turn. The cube actually turns well. I expected it to be a lot worse, but this is very amazing. All the layers seem to turn smoothly, but oh wait, the inner layers aren't as good. I should be careful in turning though, because this is a 12x12, which means that it's the biggest even layered puzzle, which means that it's still quite unstable. It's harder to manufacture even layered cubes than odd layered cubes. I hope that this cube doesn't pop. I will be putting this cube in the big cube family, along with some of my biggest cubes that I have. So as you can see here, this is the Moyu MF8 9x9 cube, and they're about the same. No, this is of course a lot bigger, but they're similar in size. And this is the Yushin Huanglong 10x10. This is the 12x12. It's a lot smaller. Then this was the 11x11 that I told you about. So this doesn't really make sense, but oh well. At least I have a 12x12. Anyway, I'll scramble this cube. Okay, calm. I'm also glad that it is stickerless. Another part that I'm happy about is that 12 is a great number. It can be a 2x2, a 3x3, a 1x1, a 4x4, a 6x6, and a 12x12. Because of the small size, it's easy to handle the cube. I can't believe that this is the biggest cube that I have, because my 11x11 looked gigantic, but this isn't that big. But I know that it's the biggest layered cube that I have. It's also pillowed, which is definitely not my favorite. I would have preferred this to be in a cube shape, but I can totally understand why they made it pillowed. It's either to follow the trend or because it's a lot stabler this way. Okay, I obviously didn't scramble this the best, but I'll just stop here for now. Anyway, thanks for watching my unboxing video of the SengSo 12x12 cube. After I solve this, I will try to make a review video. I couldn't make a review video with the Yushin Huanglong 11x11 and the 10x10. I might make those later on. Anyway, Cubing Cuber, cubing forever, and bye.